Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix your Windows license will expire soon error on Windows 11, 10 and 8. Let's fix it guys. Just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window we just need to type gpedit.msc. Click on OK. Now you just need to under the computer configuration expand the administrative templates. Expand the Windows components and scroll down and find the Windows Update. Just expand the Windows Update and select the legacy policies. On that side, just need to find no auto restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic updates installations. Just double click on it. We just need to set this to enabled and select apply and OK option. This option will prevent Windows license expire notification. After doing that, just to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. You just need to find a Windows License Manager service. Just double click on it. Startup type set it to disabled and select apply and OK. Now find the Windows Update service. Just double click on it. Startup type set to disabled and select apply and OK. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, there is no more Windows license expiry notification. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.